If you've been searching for siding prices online and getting wildly different numbers, this should help. Let's make it simple. Here's a realistic look at siding prices for different home sizes and a few common repair costs as well. So first, let's talk about vinyl siding. This would include common styles like a D4, a D5, Dutch lap, and clapboard styles. For a small home, now think something like a rancher or a Cape Cod or a simple one-story home, vinyl siding replacement usually costs between $8,000 and $12,000. For a medium home, such as a two-story home, a larger Cape Cod, or a typical suburban family house, you're usually looking at probably $18,000 to $22,000. And on a bigger two-story or a wide footprint ranch or a home with more siding coverage and more layout complexity, that can land you around $32,000 to $38,000 or even more. Now let's talk about vinyl siding repairs, because not every issue means replacing your whole house. Replacing a missing or damaged piece of siding will usually run you about $450 to $800, and replacing a shutter might be $400 to $600. Now some of that variation is dependent on where that repair is taking place. Is it high up and hard to get to, or is it on the ground and easy to fix? Now if you're looking at James Hardie or fiber cement siding, that's a different price tier. It costs more up front, of course, but it's a very different product. And by the way, I have another video where I talk about vinyl siding and James Hardie and do some comparisons, so you might want to check that out. So for a small home, such as a compact bungalow, a smaller detached home, or a cottage style place, that usually starts around $18,000 to $22,000 for a James Hardie siding. For a medium home, something like a split level or a standard colonial or maybe a mid-sized two-story, expect around $35,000 to $40,000. Now something like a large colonial or a three-story home or a house with lots of exterior surface and more design detail, you're usually looking at $52,000, $58,000 or even more for a full siding replacement with a James Hardie product. Now keep in mind, siding prices can change based on the size of the home, the layout, tear-off needs, trim details, repairs underneath, and the product you choose, of course. So if you're pricing siding, don't just ask about the material costs, also consider the type of home you have and the kind of product you want, and what condition everything underneath is in. Every house is different, but these numbers should give you a solid starting point, and if you want pricing that actually fits your home, we can help you with that too. Quick, clear, competent, that's how we like to do it.